Welcome on Kulvinder Computer Solution. Today in this video I will show you how to configure OpenVPN server on Pfsense Community Edition. So my Pfsense is hosting on Microsoft Azure and this is the domain name pablo.me. Pfsense binded with the domain name. Alright, so I will show you my topology. Okay, so this is my topology. So this is my Pfsense network on Azure. So this is the virtual machine of Pfsense. Okay, so there are two cards. One is WAN, one is LAN. LAN is currently down. You can see the LAN subnet and it is behind the NOT. Alright, so let's go to the Pfsense. So first step is we have to create a certificate. Alright, so first we need to configure CA authority. CA OpenVPN and common name leave it as it is. Then go to certificate, add okay internal certificate CA server. All right, this would be for the server. So certificate authority CA OpenVPN. Okay, so this is the common name. I'm going to put my domain name of the Pfsense pablo.me. So if there is no domain name, you have to use your public IP here. Following settings you can fill up as per your requirements. Certificate type, user certificate, no sorry, this is server certificate, then save. There is one more certificate we have to create for the user, so we will finish same time. CA user, same certificate authority, CA OpenVPN, CN name, you can put anything, user 1 and save. Certificate type user. Okay, all right, so we have done certificate, so we will configure now OpenVPN. Go through the wizard, select time of server, local user access authority, OpenVPN, server certificate, CA server, next. Okay, so this is the these settings we will leave as it is. Okay, so come to the tunnel setting point. We have to put our tunnel network. Okay, so I will use this network for the tunnel, and my local network, for example WAN is active, so I will use WAN subnet here. Okay, so DNS port, I will use Google DNS, then next. Okay, so keep check these things, this both options, firewall rule plus OpenVPN rule to the WAN interface. Next, finish. So our VPN server is ready. Now let's check the firewall rules. Okay, is there, and OpenVPN interface also is there. The previous one is for the testing I was using. Okay, so now go to the package manager, find out the available package and find out OpenVPN in the search bar, client export and install. It will take few seconds. Okay, it's going on. Success. Let's go back to the system, user manager, create new, my VPN user, put password anything, confirm my VPN username, save. Now again open the user. We will link that certificate here. Add, go to method, choose existing certificate, find out your CA user. Okay, so there you can see certificate authority OpenVPN, save. Okay, now go to OpenVPN, client export. Okay, and uncheck this one. If this is the for the older version of settings, we no need to continue with that. There is my user, my VPN user, username. So I'm using Windows 64-bit. I will go with the 64-bit. If you are using Mac, so there is Mac video already. There you can see how to configure on Mac OS. Okay, download that exe file of the OpenVPN. Completed. We will install to that server. Okay, all right, install now. This server also I'm hosting on the cloud, so I was just using for the testing purpose. Okay, finish. So this one for the configuration setup, close. Okay, now go to the C drive, open VPN configuration. Before that, we have to change little bit in the configuration file. Go to Notepad, open by run as administrator. Find the configuration file and select all. Okay, so there you have to replace your remote IP. So my case is that DNS name. So keep in this mind. Here we have to use that same thing what we have configured on the CA under CN name. Okay, common name. So if you are using public IP, use public IP, or if there is domain name, use domain name. Close. Now go to the OpenVPN, right click, connect, put user, my VPN user, password. Okay, okay, so successfully connected. So let's try to ping out something. Ping. I will ping my VPN Pfsense local WAN IP. Okay, there is. Let's try to open with the local IP 10.0.1.6. Okay, so there is. So I will show you the status. OpenVPN. It's connected by with this IP. So this is the IP. There you can see my IP address 13.233.40118. So this is the exactly same. So this is our virtual IP. So guys, this is the video for the OpenVPN remote server. I hope you have liked it. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.